I know you want a healthier body, and you want to ease your soul. So here's some medicines that heal the world. So grow with herbs for
health. Processed vegan meats, or vegan meat, is a recent trend in the food industry. These new products are being marketed as a healthy alternative to conventional animal meats. However, there are dangers to some of these vegan processed foods. Processed vegan meats are a type of food that has been processed to have the same texture and flavor as meat. There are two types of processed vegan meats: soy protein and seitan. Soy protein is made from soybeans and seitan is made from wheat gluten. The main differences between these two types of processed vegan meat is their texture. Soy protein has a softer texture than seitan, which makes it better for burgers and other dishes that need to be tenderized or ground up. Seitan has a firmer texture because it does not contain any soy, which makes it better for sausages, hot dogs, jerky, and other dishes that require a firm consistency. However, soy protein can be hard on the digestive system. It can cause stomach upset, gas, cramps, bloating, and diarrhea. Soy also contains phytoestrogens that may increase breast cancer risk or cause other hormone changes in women who consume a lot of soy products. There are a number of plant-based proteins that have been heavily processed and colored with additives to make them look more like animal-based proteins. This leads to some ultra-processed foods being poor in vitamins and minerals as well as dietary fibers. According to a study by the Consumer Report, many processed vegan foods contain unhealthy fats and sugar levels that exceed the recommended daily intake. Which includes being overweight, obesity, cancer, cardiovascular disease, and type 2 diabetes. Let's talk about some chemicals found in these processed vegan foods. Tertiary butyrhydroquinone, TBHQ, is a synthetic preservative that prevents discoloration in processed foods. The FDA limits the amount of TBHQ allowed in foods because studies of laboratory animals has found an association with TBHQ and cancer. Erythrocin, red number 3. Red number 3 is an artificial food coloring. The FDA banned the use of red number 3 in products such as cosmetics in 1990, after the high dosage of the substance were linked to cancer, but it can still be used in foods like fake meat. Beyond Fried Chicken and Gardein Ultimate Plant-Based Chicken contains the following toxic ingredients: titanium dioxide, this E171, when consumed in sufficient quantities, will accumulate in our livers, lungs, and other organs as well as in our blood. According to the European Commission in January 2022, the EU banned the use of E171 as a food additive. As you can see, the consequence of consuming these highly processed vegan foods can lead to a lot of health issues. You want to stick to a diet that is filled with whole foods, fruits and vegetables, things that are not highly processed with a lot of additives. Be aware of the things that you are consuming on the everyday basis and look to make healthier food choices to better your health. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Herbs for Health. I hope you have enjoyed. Please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time.